What's up, gang? This is gonna be our journey home in the ice. All right, we will make it though, for sure. So I was on my way home, right? Now we just gonna make this small little turn. We're not gonna push anything, bro. I'm already sliding. That shit crazy. Traction control done went off, all that. So I'm driving at no more than 20 miles per hour. Cause if this thing gets to sliding, I'll be able to control it. If it's on, I'll be able to control it regardless. But hey, had a little bit of slip and slide already. So just in case, we're gonna take y'all on a little journey. All right, and this is Texas. All right, I want y'all to listen to this. Just hear me out. All right. Damn, boys, forgot which way they came in. I think I came this way. But did I come this way? Damn, I don't even remember. I don't know. But look, we sliding. Oh, now hell yeah, a little bit. But look, we gonna come this way, right? All right, and I know they just waiting to make sure, you know, real ones. But I hope this is the way I came out. I don't even think this is the way I came. Oh no, this is. Oh yeah, this Mary Mesa. All right, bet. So we're finna bust this left, right? And right here is where I was fucking spinning my ass off, nigga. I might as well be crowned the best slide champion in the fucking universe. But look, this is Texas, right? This nigga got his fucking high beams on. Like, nigga, it's driving that fast, bro. But look, it's Texas. It ain't supposed to be none of this going on. I don't know what the weather machine done did. These windshield wipers sound terrible. I don't know what the weather machine done did, but this is ridiculous. For sure. Without a shadow of a doubt, we will make it. Be pulling up here in a bit. You're just gonna take it nice and easy. I think this is where some of the some of the ice is at. Dang, this shit crazy. Boy, it's really solid. Why am I outside? Man, huh? All right, we green. All right. Can y'all see? Y'all can see? Let me get y'all this view right here. All right, so I don't know why the fuck these niggas here done left the house. Oh, we sliding already? All right, but let me turn my hazards on. Cause, hey, boy, it's something serious, all right? Like I was saying, this is Texas. This is not supposed to be happening. All this damn... It's crazy because as soon as I stepped out the car, I started slipping, all right? That's not safe at all right? Hey, but we gonna make it. This is Texas. I'm giving y'all a good little POV. If you're watching this, stay your ass inside. That's all I can say is stay indoors. I don't know why all these people out right here. Oh, no, but... Oh, it has a whole bunch of ice right there. Y'all boys be green, all right? Y'all boys be safe. Because I'm most definitely finna be safe. Ain't that shit crazy. I would have had to take the freeway to the crib, all that. But we green. Boys really lost traction. That light, though, bro, the traction light started going off. I was like, oh, hell. Boy, it's Tokyo drifting this thing. But, shit, we almost to the crib now. So, we green. I had to drive slow. Mom, if you're seeing this, I had to drive slow. This shit crazy, though. I'm just trying to get in the new crib, that's all. But god damn, this shit here is crazy. Them boys just waiting. But alright, y'all, I just wanted to, if I did spin, I wanted to get that shit on camera, because that shit there, I've been doing donuts and shit like that. I gotta show y'all this unfortunate case of events that happened today with Diamond 2.0 here. We got a slide?
No, we're not.
Oh, we is sliding. Here don't make no sense. Thank you. Appreciate you for turning off your beams, my boy. Nigga. Alright, y'all. Boys is at the crib. We agreeing. Catch y'all at another time. Peace.